I'm actually getting pretty good. I just start turning as I make it a little sweeper, you know.
Okay.
All right. Find me some stuff to hold on to. Oh, I got one. Never mind. Sweet.
All right.
So much faster, my car.
You think so?
Yeah.
Well, where do I lose it? Here?
Yeah, I think it's that was too much. Make it smooth. Feather the throttle. There you go. That was good. Broke too early. You can brake later for that. Suck it in, get in there tight. Gas. Nice. That was good. Turn too early apex. Tighten it, get in tight for this one. There you go. Nice, perfect. Same here, get it tight. Good, get it tight, good. That corner sucked, I hate it. Nice, that was good, really good, man. Nice. Little throttle, good. A little tap. Gas. Get over there. There you go. Get in there, tight. Gas. You can accelerate through that, I bet. That cone was out of the box. Tight turn, get in there. Good, that was beautiful. Nice work. Tight, get in there, get everything. Gas. A little wide. There you go. Is that what was your best? 78.4?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that was me in the car, though.
It doesn't matter.
No, it does. I mean, so you need more. You need a sway bar. Your rear end is not coming around at all.
Okay.
You need a sway bar. It's just locked down back there. You want a little bit more loose. That's gonna help your front end a lot.
Okay.
But yeah, you had great lines, everything. It was pretty.
Thanks.
Sorry, I was like in coach mode. I'm with my wife.
That's awesome. I
I
appreciate
was with my wife all day.
I really like it. Thanks a lot.
I know it's a lot of people going through that tight middle section. You want to late. There's that one corner you early apex.
Yeah.
I was like, you early apex it, and you kind of saw you corrected it. You were like, oh, you know.
You want out?
Yeah.